Hello everyone. Today let's talk about a really famous topic which is cloud computing, but in a super simple way. Let me explain with a scenario. Let's imagine a guy named called Kamal. Kamal owns an old laptop that has very low processing power. Because of that, he can't play the latest games. So he borrows a laptop from his friends to play games. But after a while, this becomes a headache for his friend. One day, his friend says, "My laptop is not a charity. If you want it, you gotta rent it." Kamal thinks about it and says, sounds fair. Now Kamal can play games anytime and his friends earn some cash as well. So it is a win-win situation. Time passes and Kamal grows up. He is not playing games anymore. Now he is developing his own application and wants to deploy that application online. But there is a problem. Even his friend's laptop isn't powerful enough for that. And Kamal doesn't have the money to buy and maintain a new server on his own. So this time he finds a new rich friend known as the cloud service provider. Who is this cloud service provider? Simply put, there are companies that provide cloud services such as computing power, storage, databases and more as all over the internet. But before diving into that, let's take a real world example. In the old days, if we needed water, we used to fill it in a containers. That means we are treating water like a product. But there is a problem with that because sometimes the water we store might not be enough, or sometimes it's more than what we need, which leads to waste. Now things are different. We get water directly into our home as a service. We only use the amount we need and we only pay for the government for what we use. This is called as pay as you go concept. The same things happens in the cloud. Instead of buying and maintaining physical servers, which is like storing water in the containers, we can use computing power, storage and other IT resources as a service from the cloud. So in simple terms, cloud computing means getting IT resources as a service rather than as a product. That's it. I hope now you got an idea about cloud computing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech explained in simple manner.